DJI Mini 3 Pro. So it seems like there is this YouTube channel called DM Productions that already somehow got DJI Mini 3 Pro. So it looks absolutely beautiful. So do subscribe to his channel because it's very informative. However, I'm going to give you guys a little boil down 2 minutes of what you expect to see in his channel. So you guys get a little bit of glimpse of what to expect of DJI Mini 3 Pro. And it looks absolutely gorgeous. It does look a little bit frog-like, however, I think in reality it does look really nice with this camera clearly seen with the interesting looking gimbal. You see the front obstacle and also at the bottom as well. And also here you can see the back obstacle avoidance as well in the frog eye part. Here is the battery and it's clearly written 249 grams for the total weight of the drone. So that means it would fly about 34 minutes flight time. Unboxing of the RC, and RC looks absolutely gorgeous with a massive display. And at the back you do have the joystick, so it's a little bit of changed design from what we're used to in the RC. There is even the micro SD card slot within the RC, which means you can actually screen capture in video format what you see in the RC. This is looking absolutely sleek. Compared to Mini 2, I don't think the size is that much bigger. It's similar size, but of course Mini 3 is slightly bigger with all the obstacle avoidance sensors and the changed design of gimbal. And the propeller looks a lot bigger than Mini 2. This is RC in outdoor setting. It looks absolutely gorgeous. That's the most exciting part of this new launch for me. The footage quality, this DM Productions YouTube channel, he flew over during sort of the darker hour of the day, and the image quality looked really beautiful, as one would expect of a fixed aperture of 1.7. And one interesting thing is in the controller, you can of course control the controllable range of the tilt, and this one goes all the way to plus 60 degrees, which is incredible because Mini 2 previously only could be controlled all the way up to plus 20 degrees. And he talks about how the RC is a lot lighter than DJI Pro, and also in the DJI new RC you don't see the antenna that's actually coming out of the main body. So that's something very interesting, very sleek design, something a lot more simple. So I'm really looking forward to seeing more videos on DJI Mini 3 Pro in the big channel on the launch date of 10th of May. And please do check out DM Productions YouTube channel because more information in that channel. See you!